This week on SailAway, we install our brand new refrigerator. Our marina is a front row seat for 4th of July fireworks.
And we do some hungover electrical work.
Do you wanna sail away? I wanna sail away. Do you wanna sail away with me today? Do you wanna sail away?
Last week on SailAway, we did some late night woodworking. We've just had our first weird mechanical issue.
And our shore power cable fried itself.
What you got there?
I don't know fishing pole.
You do know, if you just said the fishing pole, because that's what it is. It's a fishing pole. You can start earning your keep around here, hauling in some fish.
Yeah.
In addition to that excitement, our new refrigerator is in. No more cooler bag. It's done admirably well for a $5 cooler bag. Lauren's doing her flashcard exercises. Onboard education, fishing, and memory games.
Yeah.
So anyway, believe it or not, West Marine was the place that we ordered it from. Had a sale on a bunch of isotherm refrigerators, and so we selected the one that seemed like it's going to work for us. But before we go pick it up, this one's got to come out. This is kind of the setup.
He just does his own.
I do projects while Lauren keeps Rivers occupied so that the projects don't get interference from toddlers.
Otherwise nothing would get done.
Plus we are implementing, by we, I mean Lauren, is implementing a couple hours every day of
What put it back?
school.
School!
By school, for a 3-year-old, we mean just pay attention to something that teaches you something.
Let's try it with not as many cards.
And I rip out refrigerators. Oh, I gotta take that one off too.
Can you take it off?
Can you rip that off there?
Pull it.
Pull.
Pull it hard.
Pull.
Yeah!
Good job.
Oh,
So
there we go.
See right there is where the compressor is down in there.
What's in there?
I don't know.
It's the compressor.
A presser.
I confess that I don't know that much about refrigerator compressors, and I do know that these are welded on, but I do know that this is a welded connection to the one that's going to the fridge. And frankly, please by all means let me know in the comments how silly I'm being, but I don't really know what happens if you just like cut that off. Is there pressure in here enough to, like, I don't know, cause something bad to happen? I don't really know. Probably not. And yet, I think I'm just going to try and feed this whole compressor through the square cutout right there, and just pull the whole fridge and compressor out, stacked on top of each other, and not worry about it. All right, you're feeling strong. Gotta figure out how to get this thing out of here. Yeah, I don't really know. Now just lean down and lift up.
Yeah, perfect.
See that right there? That's a strong woman with some upper body strength. Good job.
Thanks. Look at our hole.
It's our big gaping hole. Which hopefully is big enough for our new fridge.
Yeah, we're gonna have to get that other fridge in. That's gonna be a pain too.
Yep, this way. Not as hard because the compressor will be contained inside of it, so.
Yeah. Special delivery.
That's right. Out with the old fridge, in with the new fridge. This is an isotherm. The model is whatever that model is that we ordered.
Looks nice.
Yeah, it looks real nice. That's pretty. It's got a nice big dent in the top of it.
What? You won't be able to see that though.
No. Still. Yeah, it's scratching dent now. That should just be insulation. So, dent in the box.
Just I mean, it's not a big dent, but it's lined up, so something just took a.
Alright, well, I guess reverse operation.
Yeah.
That's how we got the other one out.
There you go. Good. Good. Up a little bit.
Alright. I don't think there's anything to this other than
Stick it in the hole.
sliding it in and screwing it in. Yeah.
That's right. Yay!
Good. Probably should turn on the refrigerator switch. Yeah. There we go. Yep.
Success!
She is working. We've got just a tiny little gap right here. It's real small, maybe not even a 16th, where that flange comes out of there. That hole right there, that is the little drip tray, and it is like right against the back of this. So yeah, I guess this was the right size fridge.
Yeah.
Once you open it up and make sure that it's still turning on and everything before we screw it down. Yep.
Alright, here you go. Can you open up the fridge?
Yeah.
You can?
You can.
Okay, put that in the fridge.
Thank you.
Happy 4th of July. We are having some friends over. Apparently you can see the fireworks from the boat. So we're having a good old American cookout.
Some painkillers coming up very soon. Got the chicken on the Barbie. I think right there's at the truck.
Okay.
We're pretty sure that truck is where the fireworks for Brunswick take place. Right here in Brunswick Marina, we've got the perfect spot. Happy 4th. Alright, I think chicken's about ready.
Well, it's the day after 4th of July. We stayed up way too late and partied way too hard.
It's only 8 a.m.
This morning our AC turned off again.
I went out and checked the electrical cable, and our inlet is not in great shape. We ordered one, we have it. This is why it kicked off. There's a jellyfish in there. That looks really bad, right?
Yeah, that's gross.
I just cleaned that, what, a week ago? Let's just see if we can dump a jellyfish out of here.
Oh, yep, that's some jellyfish. It's like, what, 3?
Well, 3 or 1 is like completely...
Right. Delicious.
That's nasty.
Yeah, it's real gross. Jellyfish in the strainer.
These are commonly referred to as cannonball jellyfish, and they were a huge problem this year in Brunswick. Not just for us, but for a lot of the boats around us. Multiple cloggings of multiple jellyfish, sometimes more than once a day.
Well, let's hope it's that and not an electrical issue again.
Yeah, I hope it didn't cause an electrical issue. That's what I'm worried about. Let's see, because our inlet doesn't look good at all. But it kind of looked like that to start with. But here's the thing.
And that's the other one that's not.
Right.
Yeah, I think it definitely fucked that up. Now we're gonna have to get another cable. Again.
Probably.
Last night's festivities are still out on the table.
Yeah.
Well, I guess I should make some coffee. We're gonna get to business.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna do the outlet first. Clean up the cable, see if it's truly shot or not. And if it is, then we have to buy another cable. If it's not, we can kind of test everything, see if it's working. I don't want to throw too many variables into the morning's festivities. Because then if shit doesn't work, I won't know why.
This is the shiny new one.
Yeah. This thing's like fused. Look at that. Like melted plastic around it.
Cool. So there's, another $100 that we need to spend on a cable.
Well, I don't know that the cable, it looks bad because it's all black. It doesn't look very good. This was probably compromised. The wire is still there. It just, the pole is still there. So like theoretically the connection is still there. But,
Is that off?
yeah, it's electric. You know what I mean? It's an electrical cable, so
Yeah. You never know.
there you go.
I've always wanted. Look how gross it is.
I'm not an electrician. I wouldn't call it my forte as far as boat systems go. It would be my weakest point probably is electrical stuff. But I think what happened is our plug was already compromised from the last cable frying itself, even though it was working, And then when the jellyfish clogged up our filter, that caused the pump to start getting hot and pulling more, drawing more current. And so then when it, if the line fails, it'll fail at the weakest point, and the weakest point was where the cable connected to this. So just trimming all this back past the crispy stuff. Yeah, I mean, the wire looks good inside.
Ooh.
Will be the first screwdriver that I offer to the dock gods. Creatures of the underworld have to have tools too. I supply a lot of them. Oh, my head hurts.
I'm sorry. No more fun for us ever again.
I think our, I wouldn't say our AC cable is shot. I know I could cut the end off and, buy a new end, wire it on there, all that. I know that would work. But I don't know how much a new end for one of those is, but I know they're pretty damn expensive. And West Marine still got their sale going on for like the really sweet, nice new ones with the nice connections. And we don't know how old that one is, just like the other two that fried on us. Anyway, I used the other circuit, the one that was plugged into our house AC, plugged it into the AC, and everything's running properly. We've got good water flow outside. Why do things break down the night after we drink too much for the first time in a long time?
Join us next week as we take Cecilia out for a pleasure cruise and to make sure everything is in working order. And we find out the answer is no.
As you look through seasons that have come.
Thanks as always for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't and ring the bell to get notifications of every video we make. And of course, if you really like what we do, go check out our Patreon page and consider being a patron.
As you look through
Until next week, cheers.
seasons that have come and gone. And you wonder how we